Good.
Boot Gang, today we are going to do the Guess That Sound Challenge.
Yes, the sound challenge.
Mine!
It is cold in here.
It's really not that cold.
The heater's not working.
Gina's wearing his full winter jacket indoors.
I'm
and
wearing
it's
two
not-
jackets.
It's not that serious.
It is that serious. You know what's warm? My bowels.
I'm pretty warm.
But it's warm.
Here are the rules.
Why do you have a lint roller?
Okay, well I'm about to get to that, Sharon. So, this is in the middle. I'm gonna play this track. Okay, we're gonna let the first 3 sounds play to, let Gina know that this is a fair game.
I want it to be real.
It's gonna be real, okay?
Is it
Sharon,
gonna be real?
It's gonna be real.
Okay, Linda.
Okay, are you ready?
I don't know, am I ready?
When you hear that, we're gonna let the first 3 sounds play, and then we're gonna start, okay?
Okay.
When you hear the sound, if you know it, you grab this in the middle, okay? You cannot grab this if you don't know the sound.
It's gonna be like this.
No, you have to, your hands have to be behind
do
the
like
table. Cheater! Cheater, I'm gonna eat her.
It's a bird! It's a bird!
So-
What do we win?
So the loser,
Okay, I got it. Let's do slaps and kisses. You can slap me in the face, and then if I get it right, you get a kiss.
we're gonna do a dare at
Oh.
the very end.
Oh,
Winner gives the loser a dare at the very end, okay?
okay.
So think of one. Let it marinate in your head, okay?
Marinating.
Ready? So the first 3 sounds, we're not doing them. Here we go. Sounds.
You're looking at the sound names. Oh,
I'm
it
about to
says
black it
mystery
out.
sound. Oh,
Yeah.
that's genius.
Okay, here we go.
Pac-Man. Pac-Man.
Was that Pac-Man? You were right! Yeah, you were right. Wow, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay. That's 1 point for Gino.
Mhm.
Here we go.
Windows.
Microsoft.
Oh, it's Macintosh. You're
Max.
wrong.
Oh, what did I say? Microsoft? Damn, we both got it wrong.
Yeah, you're wrong.
Oh, that's CSI. Damn it!
Oh,
Law and Order.
Law and Order.
Apple iPhone.
I know.
What is
It's
it?
Dell.
Dell? That was Dell?
Intel. Dell.
That's not Dell.
It's Intel.
That's Intel.
It's short for Dell.
No, there's no D in there.
Yeah, Intel is short for Dell.
Why love you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God, stop you lying.
Hey Siri.
I'm just kidding, I'm not.
Oh my God!
Disney!
Was it?
Yes.
Yeah, you got that one. That's Disney. Ah!
Oh, that's 2 for me. Let's go. I'm gonna say centipede.
I think it's Mario.
No. Oh, Donkey
Donkey
Kong.
Kong.
That
Oh, I said Mario.
was Donkey Kong. I'm just gonna take a stab. The Shining?
Oh, I didn't watch Lost.
Lost?
Did you?
No, I never watched Lost.
Neither did I. That's Windows. That's Windows. Yes!
Now it's 2-2.
Yeah,
AOL Instant Messenger.
that's AOL?
Yeah. AIM. Yeah, AOL Instant Messenger. Let's go! I used to use that all the time. Oh, Mario.
Just Mario?
Mario eating a mushroom, growing bigger. Whatever.
Wait, it's Mario. So you have 3?
4.
4? I have 1.
Oh, I know that.
That's Pixar.
Ow! God! You're 3. I'm at 4.
What was that?
I don't know.
I
Duracell.
forgot about those guys. What is that?
That's a ringtone for Nextel.
Oh, you're right. No, it's Nokia.
Oh, Nokia.
Wrong.
Nokia phone. Damn. I used to have that. That's universal.
Yeah, it is.
That's Sonic the Hedgehog collecting rings.
Oh, you're right.
Yep, 7. Bonus round, plus 1%. Oh, Psycho. Psycho.
Wait, we weren't. I wasn't ready. That doesn't count. Oh.
R2D2.
Damn, Gino!
That's the Matrix.
How did you know all that?
I don't know. I win. I destroyed you. I destroyed you on that round. It's okay. Okay.
I'm sad. I wanted to win.
Pick the sound.
No, I didn't.
Okay, do the animals one.
Okay. All right. We're gonna do one more round. Animal round.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Monkey.
No, that's chimpanzee. See, look, you don't need to turn it on.
No, I said monkey.
I said chimpanzee.
I won.
Okay. Stupid monkey.
Lion. It's some kind of bird, but I don't know what bird.
It's a parrot.
That's not what a parrot sounds like.
Oh,
Oh, that was a squirrel.
that was a squirrel.
That's not what they sound like. A bear.
A bear? That's cute. That's I'm gonna say that's a leopard. I don't know. It's supposed to be harder.
I think that's a bear. Let's see. Oh, I was right.
That's a hyena.
That's how they laugh.
That's a hyena.
That's creepy.
Yeah.
That's a dolphin.
Yeah.
Mouse.
Rats.
That is almost the same
No, it's not.
thing.
Mouse and rats are not the same thing. What is wrong with you? It's a bat. We were both wrong. I still win. I had way more points. You guessed like 6 animals.
I know.
I had
I'm
like
so
every
sad.
one of those movie ones.
You had all the movie ones.
Or
Damn.
all the other sounds, electronic sounds, movie sounds.
So
And I had quite a few animals too.
what's my dare? Oh God, what?
I'm gonna put a handful of classic roast and you have to swallow it. You're more than welcome to drink water after. Or you could take a big giant swig of A1 sauce, which is even worse. That A1 sauce is really gonna be tangy in your throat. That's up to you. What do you wanna do? You take a big giant freaking swig of that A1 sauce, or
And then you have to kiss me after.
a handful of classic roast, and you just
I'll take a swig of the.
you have to fill your mouth up though with
Okay.
it. You want to kiss after? I don't know. Okay, here, come here.
You like steak, don't you?
I love steak. Okay, here, ready?
I can smell it and you just opened it.
I told you it's really tangy. You ready? Okay, that's good. Close it. Oh! I love me some steak sauce. Don't you dare! Come on, you can do it. I know you can do it. Come on. Just swallow. Just swallow. Good. Ew! Stop! What's wrong with you? How did it feel like me? You do it. You do it. How was it? How was it? Ew. I'm sorry. You had to go through that.
I'm still coughing it up.
Let me smell.
I just brushed my teeth.
I know, but now
twice.
it's just like toothpaste mixed with that A1 steak sauce.
Oh, you can still smell the A1 sauce?
Yeah. I can
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, Boots, that's bad, man.
Well, you told me to do that. I almost threw it up right now. Not kidding at all. I was trying to brush my teeth and brush my tongue, and like it kept wanting to come out. It was so nasty.
I had it worse there. Since it's raining right now, there's a big giant puddle outside. I was gonna have her swim in it, but then you guys she'd get sick, and then you guys probably wouldn't have any more videos from her. So I said no.
That's it for
You
this
should have
challenge.
just ate the coffee.
No.
You would have just been really hyper.
No, I would not have. A handful of coffee grinds? No way. I wouldn't be able to swallow that even. If you guys have any suggestions on what challenges you guys want to see us do, leave them down below in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
The next video.
Hasta la vista. Bye bye.
What?